This video tutorial will guide users to key functionality of the Flood Assessment application in the Flood and Drought portal. To access the Flood Assessment application, go to the Flood and Drought portal, www.flooddroughtmonitor.com. Log in using your username and password. When on the home page of the portal, click on the Flood Assessment application here. The Flood Assessment application can help users locate and identify flood hazards, estimate impacts, and provide risk assessments. The application is composed of two main parts: data and indices selected from the Data and Information application and made available through the Flood Assessment application, and rainfall runoff, which provides you with a hydrological model that allows you to run, calibrate, and execute forecasted and projected simulations based on the data included in the portal. When you have the Flood Assessment application open, you will be able to view, download, or analyze available data sets. By clicking Select under the Data tab here, a dialog box opens which enables you to select or deselect data sets. After selecting the data, click on Update here. The selected data can be viewed here. When clicking on a data set, you will be able to view the raster information in the map here. For each data set, there is a Tool menu. The Tool menu enables you to download and view selected data sets in different ways, as in the Data and Information application. You are also able to specify the area, including All Focus Area, which provides information for the entire transboundary basin, User Location, which provides information for a point which the user defines by clicking within the basin boundary. You can select several points. Sub-Area Layer, which provides information for the sub-area or sub-basin, and Point Layer, which provides information for predefined points within the basin. The Rainfall Runoff tab allows you to choose between three rainfall runoff model modes: Historic, to stimulate and calibrate the historic runoff. The start and end date will be automatically defined based on the data available. Forecast, to forecast the runoff within the coming 9 months. And Climate Change, to apply the delta change factor to climate data. The area can be defined either for the entire basin or for sub-areas using the drop-down menu. For the rainfall input, you can choose data from two different sources, either TRMM or CHIRPS. The rainfall runoff model is a conceptual model describing the hydrological processes within a catchment. The output from the model is the catchment runoff. The input is climate data and a number of empirical parameters defined by the user. The model can be calibrated against observed time series and model parameters set. The model is then run by clicking on Execute here. Once the model has been run, the user can choose which result item to view from the drop-down, including runoff, runoff accumulation, evapotranspiration, recharge, and rainfall, and whether to view it as time series or a table. The user can view the results directly as a chart or table and can also download the information. Thank you for watching, and please share this video tutorial.